been an absolute disaster. I have asked John Barrasso, Senator, Bill Cassidy, who's a terrific healthcare person, Rick Scott, and others to take a look, form a really great plan.
President Trump says he wants the GOP to be the party of health care, but congressional Republicans say they have no intention of heeding his demands for a new national health care law, fearing the potential political damage it could cause in 2020. Republican lawmakers said the White House would need to make the first move by putting forward its own health care proposal.
I was fine with Senator Alexander and Senator Grassley working on prescription drug pricing and other issues that are not a comprehensive effort to revisit. So I made it clear to him we were not going to be doing that in the Senate.
On the campaign trail in 2016, Donald Trump repeatedly pledged to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act.
Somebody said the other day, what's the first thing you're going to do? Well, we're going to work immediately on repealing Obamacare. I've been talking about we're going to repeal and replace Obamacare from day one. Now, we're going to do it. We're going to do it.
We will be able to immediately repeal and replace Obamacare. Have to do it.
One of my first acts as president will be to repeal and replace disastrous Obamacare.
Once elected, Trump told reporters he never said he would repeal and replace Obamacare during his first days in office.
And I never said, I guess I'm here, 64 days? I never said repeal and replace Obamacare. You've all heard my speeches. I never said repeal it and replace it within 64 days. I have a long time.
Trump has repeatedly promised an imminent Republican health care bill. Republicans have been deadlocked on an overhaul effort of the Affordable Care Act since February 2017, when the House introduced the American Health Care Act. The legislation collapsed in the Republican-controlled Senate when the late Senator John McCain gave a thumbs-down vote to the proposal. Despite the agenda shift by Republicans, Trump continued to insist health care was coming up next.
We are going to be the Republicans, the party of great health care.
Trump announced on Twitter that Republicans would vote on and pass a health care bill after the 2020 presidential elections.